What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, Make Money with HRC. So before I go ahead and get started, I just want to say thank y'all so much for the comments and for reposting the video and everything else. And as usual, please go ahead, do the damn thing, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, send whatever feedback my way. Definitely all for it. Now I've had requests to explain how drop shipping on AliExpress works. Pretty much nowadays you can drop ship from any site, to be honest, so it's not just AliExpress that you're able to drop ship from. So when I say that you could drop ship from anywhere, I know people that drop ship from Amazon to like their Shopify, or Amazon to eBay to just a mess. If you know what you're doing and you have a really good supplier, you could do just about anything. The sky's the limit at that point. Money talks. So that's the best way that I would explain that. But when it comes to drop shipping with Shopify, the methods that I would feel are going to give you the most bang for your buck, honestly, it's probably going to be a little bit scattered, but just try and follow me as best as possible. All right. So with drop shipping, a lot of people are going to have Shopify stores. With them having a Shopify store, they're going to AliExpress or any of these other websites. They're finding a product that's going to be cheap. So for example, a lot of people, they were selling bracelets at one point in time. And with these bracelets, you would pay about $2-3 for a bracelet, but then you'll resell it for $20, $30, $40, $50. But in actuality, these bracelets were like $3-4 on AliExpress. And I forgot, there was a company that was running it really well. They were calling it like the friendship bracelets, and everybody was pretty much rocking it. You would click on like what was it, Alpha Accessories or Alpha something. But I remember, I would click on like the pictures, and so many people used to tag them. They had a good promotional ad space thing going on there that I thought it was phenomenal, because no matter where you saw the picture and you clicked on it, it led you right back to their website for you to be able to purchase a bracelet with the company. Now, when you're selling on Shopify or any other store, if you're able to, you always want to go ahead and offer free shipping. If the product that you're going to ship is going to cost a lot of times you can go ahead and put your shipping costs into the cost of your total price and still offer free shipping. So that is something that you're able to look into to make sure that you're actually making the profit that you would like. So free shipping, everybody loves free shipping. Not everybody would want to know, hey, you know what, I'm paying like $50 for a product and then I have to turn around and pay for shipping. So if you can offer free shipping, that's always going to be good. Now, when you go to AliExpress, for you to know if you are getting a pretty top-notch product, you want to make sure that when you click on the product, you are you're going to sort your order by the count. So the amount of people that ordered this product is basically how you would know if that product sells a lot. From there, you want to make sure that you ship with e-packets. So what that basically means is that when you're shipping with e-packets, is that packet's going to get to your customer beforehand. So a lot of times the e-packet's going to give you a lot faster ship dates. And I've seen where e-packets have not so short ship dates. So it just depends. On the order screen, it's literally going to tell you all the options that you have for orders. I'll also throw some examples up somewhere over here for different types of orders that you're able to get on AliExpress, and which ones are going to work well for you in the business that you're doing. Now, what you could also do on AliExpress is, because I know a lot of people now are complaining about shipments. I actually have some packages that I'm waiting on from China, and it's been almost about 3 weeks. My heart hurt. When I tell you my heart hurt, because I probably have, no lie, maybe about $1,500 worth of returns that I am right now just like, how much longer am I going to tell my customers, hey, there's an issue at the post office? Yes, they have tracking numbers, they have the whole 9 yards, but when I did go ahead and reach out to my supplier, a lot of the shipping companies right now in China, they're actually not shipping as yet. So yeah, the product is there, but they're not shipping it out, and that whole process has just been a mess. So if you can, go ahead, and while you're on the website, it's going to say ship from. If you could find a provider that ships from the United States, you are in good hands. Because why? That means your customer is going to order this product and it's going to get shipped to them. Now, the caveat to that, from what I've noticed, is when you go to these shipped from United States suppliers, a lot of times they don't have the exact item that you want. So for example, and which I'll also throw that up here. So there was a ring light that I was looking at, and I'm like, wow, that's perfect. They ship from the United States. The downfall, and I made sure I pulled up 6 different ring lights just to see, okay, well, maybe there's a glitch in the system, because this is an awesome price, the same ring light that they're out here selling for $75, $20, $19.99, $17.99. But here's the catch, right? For me to get the complete set, I would have to get it from China. But if I want just the light, or if I want an extension piece or whatever it is, those are the pieces that are available in the United States. Why? Like, why? Why can the whole entire thing just be in the United States? So you just have to go ahead and look to see what's gonna fit your order needs. If you're just gonna be selling the top part of the lamps, that's perfect. They're in the United States. However, if you're selling this complete set, that's a 5-piece set, 6-piece set, whatever it is, then that's possibly going to be coming from China. So that is something that you definitely want to make sure that you look into. Just don't select US and thinking that the whole entire thing's coming from US. Just be sure to do your research. Check out, if I were you, check out the comments, see when was the last time the product was ordered. A lot of customers put up pictures. I personally love to look at the pictures, because at that point I have an idea of how it's packaged. I have an idea of how it's shipped, especially if it's someone that I've never ordered through before. So at least with someone else putting up their picture, I know what to expect. Also, you want to make sure that when you are speaking to the manufacturers, you let them know, hey, you know what, I'm shipping these off. I do not want any promotional items in my packaging to go to this customer, because last thing you want is a customer to see that this item was 99 cents, but they just went ahead and spent $15 on your item. So just always reach out to your supplier, let them know, hey, I'm doing high volume. And with that being said, I would really love it if there's no promotional items in my packaging. Another thing that would actually help you on your store, that I've actually incorporated on mine, is a badge that says sold out. So a lot of times if you're listing products on your store, some products are naturally going to be sold out. So I will actually list 1 or 2 of those products, and I would just leave it there with the sold out badge, because again, that's helping to build the authenticity of the brand, and not to mention, it shows that you're getting sales on your page, because hey, that item is sold out. So you want to go ahead and throw that in there, because that's definitely going to help you build a lot of credibility with your customers. You also want to make sure that you have payment badges. Payment badges, I'll also throw a snapshot up there of what the payment badge is going to look like. Those you can actually go ahead and just download you can download it from Google, and there's also an app that's in the Shopify app store that's free, that gives you the payment badges that you're able to also use. So that also helps to build trust on your store and let the customer knows that your store is secured with checkout. So from there, you just want to make sure that you are very detailed, again, with customer service. If a customer asks a question, get back to them in a timely manner. Billing rapport with your customers, driving traffic, running ads, of course doing your split tests on your ads to see what ads are going to work better. You want to make sure that you are doing a really good job when it comes to finding the right people to run your ads to, especially on Facebook ads. So the different interests, backgrounds, just all these things that's going to affect your ads within themselves. Now, another thing that you could actually do to build your product up is to have a Facebook fan page or groups. You definitely want to go ahead, check those out, join some of them, find people that are going to be into that niche or that item that you're promoting or selling, because then also you could actually go ahead and provide them with the links. Another place I started using lately was Quora, I think, or Aura, Quora, something to that effect. But people ask questions, I got an answer. So with that being said, if I'm doing my affiliate marketing based on what I'm marketing, and if I search and that question is being asked, then I'll go ahead and provide them with my link if it's necessary. If it's not necessary, then I'm just dropping my 2 cents. Apart from that, you also want to make sure that you get a domain name. So your domain name is going to be also added into your brand. With that being said, your domain name is literally just going to be the name of the company that you are currently setting up. So if you're selling like camera supplies or lighting instruments, I guess you could call it like lighting plus, probably something to that effect. Anything to do with lights. And then at that point, the person knows that they're getting all their camera needs. So from lighting to the equipment to the stands, all that will be included on your store, right? That's actually a pretty good idea. I've had so many epiphanies for ideas within the past couple of weeks. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna do another video on a bunch of things that I'm doing on the side. And, just to show that the last couple of weeks that I've been missing for the last 2 weeks hasn't been a complete bust. So, we'll definitely be talking about that. But, what else? I think that's pretty much it. So the whole recap of this is literally run good ads, join Facebook groups, or create your own group that is literally gonna be able for you to have people sign up. Then that way, hey, with you signing up, you're able to promote your own products to this group of people that you have, and hopefully somebody will buy into it. If you ship from the United States, you're gonna have faster shipping times, less returns, but you're probably not gonna be able to get the same exact product that you see in your listing unless it's coming from China. If it is gonna come from China, check out the different shipping methods that they have. That's gonna give you the less time, and see what's gonna be what's going to work for you. Also reach out to your supplier, let them know that you do not want your drop shipping, so you don't want any promotional information within your packaging. What else? I think that's pretty much it. You just want to remember that when you're building your brand is a representation of you, so you want to make sure that you go above and beyond to satisfy your customers. And with that, you're going to get a lot of repeat customers, a lot of repeat business, especially if you're building a brand that you want to be able to grow and scale and build it long term. Then definitely just be on top of your A game. All right. So I will see y'all on the flip side, and I hope everybody have an awesome week. 1